Welcome to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University. This unit we will be covering circulation and OPAC. Let us see the basic functions of circulation and OPAC. In earlier times, people were using manual cards and it was very time consuming and very tiring to maintain, and mistakes do happen. Electronic only access has developed. The online access to e-books and databases is possible even remotely for users. The primary function of circulation is inventory control and pattern services. Pattern means user services. The inventory control concerns with check-in and check-out transactions. It is not only that, but at the same time the status of the book, whether the book is loaned to someone, available in the bindery, should also be known. Apart from this, the circulation is responsible for answering patterns, directional questions, or directing them to the other department, registering the patterns and fine collection. Circulation data helps to place the above facts before the library committee for taking decisions. The main features include who has borrowed the item, the type of item borrowed, the time of borrowing, and when it is due back. Individually tracking the status of the item in the collection. The status of the pattern accounts can be tracked. Incoming items can be cross-checked to match the request for holds. Statistics can be provided to the management with regard to circulation of all items. The functionalities are retrieving membership records from the library database, enabling easy access to online catalog of the library, while check-in and check-out transactions, information about privileges to different categories of users like students, faculty, guest faculty, research scholar, and other students about different types of library material. The system should be capable of providing information about fine collection and the amount to be charged as per the designated status of patterns. Compatibility of the circulation system with the barcode equipment for printing the receipts of overdue collections and for scanning a barcode of the pattern ID or the book item, that is accession number. Barcode means accession number normally they use. Then integrated circulation system is this diagram clearly shows that the first database contains pattern records. Circulation database contains pattern records, interlibrary loan records, and history of transactions record. Then the circulation system is the main system which takes data from the online catalog of the library to issue a book to the pattern, and check-in transaction it involves. So, it uses the central catalog for books and queue of reservation and hold. It also maintains a queue of reservation and hold. If suppose your book is issued to someone and somebody wants to borrow that book, then they will place an item in the reserve, and when the book the staff will call back the book and it will loan to the other person who has placed it on the reserve and in the first in the queue. IAL loan request from, interlibrary loan request from to and from the library. Whatever we give to others, whatever we take from others, a record of those transactions. Screenshot of pattern record. This is very brief. Only the first part will be visible to the users, that is pattern ID, their designation and the type of user, belong to which department, etc. These are the things which are important. We will see the fields. So, in 100 we name of the pattern, that is user's name. Then 245 pattern type, whether is a faculty or is a non-teaching staff, or there is a MA student, MSc student, like that, his designation. Then 271 is email, the email of the person to contact through mail, whether he has borrowed a book, he is to return the book, like that. 301 is the place where he is being working, the institution, like Dr. Ambedkar Open University. Then 711 is the person who is responsible for this. Suppose he takes the books and runs away, there is a contact person whom we will be contacting when the person is not available. Membership privileges. All these membership privileges, faculty, guest faculty, research scholars, postgraduate students and others, all these members will be having different borrowing facilities. For example, faculty members can borrow books for 1 semester. Post-graduation research scholars will have the facility to borrow for 15 days. Likewise, patterns borrowing facility may depend upon the number of books issued to the postgraduate students. 4 books will be given, research scholars 5 books will be given, and they can borrow up to 15 days, but faculty can borrow up to 15 books and project books. Libraries holdings consist of different types of materials such as monographs, serials, dissertations, project reports, reference books, textbooks and magazines. All type of books are not for issue. Serials, bound volumes, expensive volumes, material, reference books and magazines are not for issue. Barcode equipment. The barcode materials in the library need to be barcoded with the accession number or call number before sending it to stack. It will identify the document in the stacks. Barcode labels are of the defined locations of the definite location of the item at the time of acquisition and technical processing. Likewise, the library members are given photo identity card and their unique number with alphanumeric code. Then the barcode standard commonly used in libraries is code 39, 3 of 9 standard. It allows alphanumeric symbols to be used in the barcode that matches library operations as well. In many institutions, employee ID card with a unique ID card are issued to them, serving as library and pattern ID cards for circulation transaction. The unique barcode is provided to each employee student when they join the course. Hence, such cards are multifunctional and used for various purposes. So, this barcode equipment, it is also integrated with gate technology. Suppose in IITs and all, they can integrate with RFID technology because lots of funds are there with them. But whereas university libraries or state libraries, they only integrate it with the gate, that is 3M security gate. 3M security gate will be integrated to the barcode. So, whenever a person takes a book, unauthorized book out of the library, he will be recognized, he will be caught and he will be asked to return the book, and unauthorized authorization of books outside the library will not be permitted if the gate is integrated with the barcode equipment and circulation section. If that is there, then no theft, nothing. So, normally most of the libraries, they integrate security gate with circulation operations and barcode equipment, so that the unauthorized things are not taken out of the library. So, in this particular part, we have seen that how to register a pattern, what are the important items in the items or fields that are to be included in user ID cards. So, user ID membership in the system. In the system, only those fields need to be entered for importance of the student and for the staff to know to whom the book is issued or to whom the book is to be called back for reservation and all this. All those circulation operations need to be taken care very effectively. No standing in queues, no waiting for long time, because and there is no circulation counter. Tell your barcode number or they will enter the barcode number immediately. They can return the book without again typing the user ID again and again. So, this is only one simple process. Only the barcode of the student is entered, immediately all the books pertaining to his loan status will be updated, and he has to return the books after completing his exams. And so, this is very useful to the users. So, speedy work is done, quick return of books, quick borrowal of books. These saves the time of the students and also the staff. The staff also, they get very tired, and manually so many mistakes takes place with the cards, wrong filing of cards, wrong filing of dates. This will itself take lots of time and time consuming, whereas this barcode equipment is so convenient that users need not wait just 1 second or 2 seconds, operation will be over, and it is integrated with security system also. The security system also, nobody can take an unauthorized book or unauthorized material out of the library. So, this is very helpful, and so this circulation, we have seen the circulation and also the important features of circulation in this unit. Thank you so much.